Hi guys, today is the 5th of June 2026 and I'm going to be analyzing gold. So I'm trying to explain this entry, right? How did I get this entry? This snapper entry right here. So first of all, I went on a daily time frame. I went on a daily time frame. Let me remove this. Yeah. So you can see the strong level of buyers here, which got broken to the downside all the way here. So we had this massive indication to the downside, a correction. Then price was supposed to continue here, but then excuse me, but then it failed because buyers came and took over. So we also have this strong level of buyers over here. Also have this strong level of buyers over here. So immediately I saw this, I went lower to the forward time frame to refine my entries. Alright. So on the 4 hour, we have a major key level because the key level is a support and resistance zone that price has reacted from. Okay, so immediately I saw that, I zoomed in again. Okay, then I saw this level here. This is a major level of buyers. So immediately I saw this and realized that this is a strong level of sellers, meaning price came, tried to break it, but sellers said, you know what, that's not going to happen today. So sellers pushed price back down, causing an indication. Price reacted to the upside, tried to break this resistance, but at the same time, sellers maintained this level high and pushed price back down, which caused an indication, a correction. So what exactly did I see? Why did I take this entry? So immediately price got here, I started to notice price creating lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so you have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, and then considering the fact that this is a major key level, meaning that buyers are active at this level here, that means anything above this level is a buy. But if price breaks below that level now, that means anything below this level is a what? Is a sell. So now, immediately I saw price rejecting from here, I said, you know what, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame to find my entry. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, before I did that, to refine my entries, right, to get a perfect sniper entry like I got, I also marked this zone. I also marked this zone here because this is also a strong level of buyers that got broken. Okay, this is a strong level of buyers that got what? That got broken. So what did I do? Then I went to the 15 minutes time frame to get my entry. So when I got to the market, the price was somewhere around here. So I knew I was going to retest this zone because it was a major level of what? Level of sellers. So I hopped onto my toolkit. My entry was around, excuse me, 4480.600. My TP was around 4427.458. And then my stop loss was around 4490, I think. Yes. So in total, that gave me about 5.65 RR. 5.65 RR. So that is the way I got this entry. So now, why did I target this low here? Remember the rule of ICC. Once you get your entry, the previous swing high, which is this point, has to be your SL. But because it was too small for me, I said let me give price a little bit of room because of this level here. So in case price wants to react and do some kind of thing. So that's the reason why uh, I did that. Okay. So how did I get my TP zone? I went on the 4 hour. Now, remember the rule of market structure, right? If price is creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Now, this lower low here, price is expected to break this lower low and continue to create another lower low, then go back up again, creating a lower high, then another lower low. So that's the reason I targeted uh this lower low here. And I mark the body, I don't mark the wick. So that's the reason I targeted this zone. And as you can see, excuse me, as you can see, as soon as price tapped into the zone, it started to what? It started to reject massively. So I closed out this morning, and that's exactly how I got this entry. So with all this being said, I hope you guys understand this analysis. And today's NFP, guys. So I'll be looking out for the news. If I get a good entry, I might share, but I'll definitely share for the people in my VIP group. So with all this being said, I'll see you guys later. Cheers.